Today we have someone special, and that is none other than Israelmbonyi. How are you today?
I'm very thankful.
And of course, what are you doing here at ALX? I'm sure there's someone wondering.
You know what? I'm very excited to be a part of this kind of community. People who love to do hard things. And that's alax, is specifically alax pathway.
Now let's run it back a little bit. When you finished high school, what state of mind were you in? What did you want to be? What were your aspirations?
You know, at the time, I wanted to be a pilot. But the thing is, I didn't have that guidance. I didn't have someone to show me which way to go. Now, this generation, they are very lucky because they have alax pathway, and that's what they do. They guide them.
Now, Israel, I know you touched on ALX pathway. Specifically, I would want to know what you like about it, according to what you've seen.
Yeah, you know, alax is here actually to help students to get access to global universities. But most importantly, to help them, to teach them skills that will help them for their higher learning.
I like that you touched on that because they also offer meta skills, which include quantitative reasoning, entrepreneurship, and of course communicative skills, among many more.
Yes.
Now, ndabizi hari umubyeyi cyangwa umunyeshuri utazi aho kugana. Israel, uko ubibona ni ihe nama wabagira?
Umubyeyi ufite umwana urangije kwiga segondere, ushaka ko yakomeza muri university, muzane umwandikishe muri alax pathway. Bazamwigisha, bazamutoza, bazamutyaza, azabona n'abandi banyeshuri bagenzi be bamutegure kuzajya muri university, ndetse bamuhereze na opportunity yo kuba yabasha applying mu university yo mu mahanga. Hari n'indi opportunity yuko yabasha no kubona scholarship.
Nibyo, as you know,